In part 3, we are going to learn about team effectiveness. What factors determine whether teams are successful? There are several different models that we could look at. Let's use the input, process, output model of team effectiveness to consider some of the variables that help teams succeed. This figure is from your textbook and is based on Gladstein's work from 1984. According to this model, team effectiveness depends on 3 things: inputs, processes, and outputs. When we understand all 3, we can make better predictions about a team's performance. Input variables are the things the team or the company puts in. Things within the organization, like its culture. Characteristics of the task, like its complexity. And team composition, like size. Process variables include group dynamics and other events that influence how inputs are transformed into outputs. Things like norms, decision-making, communication, coordination, and cohesion. Output variables include how the team performs, what it produces, whether members are happy with their membership, and whether the team creates something new or solves a problem.